Hi, this is Evolution Tab, a mobile game I built solo using React Native and Expo. So the concept is simple. Evolve your species through 20 stages of life or go extinct trying. So when you open the app, you get a loading screen. A loading screen with an animated progress bar and an evolution emoji chain fading in one by one. Then it transitions to the home screen where you can see the game title, the seven evolutionary eras. You'll travel through the rules and your personal best score. So when you tap begin, a 3 second countdown starts with burst swing animation and a countdown sound. Each number has a haptic pulse so you feel it in your hand. Then the game begins. So this is the core mechanic. You see a bar bouncing left and right. That the colored zone is your target. So you have to tap the screen at the exact moment. The indicator is inside it. Hit it and you evolve. Miss it and your species is gone forever, so no retries. As you progress, the zone meets gets smaller and the bar moves faster. So every fourth successful tap triggers a mutation. So the zone widens temporarily and a banner appears, giving you a brief window of relief. So when the game ends, win or lose, you land on the result screen. It shows your outcome. So your score stats and a creature card with a scientific name, period, and a fun fact about the stage you reach below. That is an evolution progress bar. Uh, a grid of all 20 stages showing how far you got. Everything animates in the cards slide up. The bar fills, and if you win, confetti bursts across the screen. So you can tap the camera button screenshot your results and share them, then hit try again to go straight back the to the into a new game or go back to the home screen. So the whole app was built solo, 4 screens, 20 stages for of real evolutionary history, full, full sound effects, haptic feedback, and an animated UI that scaled across all phone sizes. So that's Evolution App. Thank